Meet the unofficial city bird of Mumbai. This is the coppersmith barbet, a small colorful bird that you have probably heard but most likely not seen. If you hear something like this, the coppersmith barbet is probably around you. It is called the city bird of Mumbai because it is very commonly found in both our urban patches as well as the forest patches. Hidden in dense canopy, this bird is tiny and green in color, helping it camouflage really well. So the next time you are taking a walk around the city, keep your eyes and your ears open for the coppersmith barbet.